Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince once again here. So friend, today's expiry, I should say it was a sideways to negative market, but then it was difficult for me personally, reason being there was regular spikes. The market was giving a hint of going down, but again there were sudden spikes. And you all know that I do a lot of adjustments on Thursdays and it backfired me. Nevertheless, it was a very good day, a lot of learnings, and our loss is someone else's gain. So I'm sure many of you would have made money as well today. Those who would have just played directional trades would have made good money. People those who are doing adjustments would have lost money today. And also to talk about February month, it is a very volatile month. So the budget, usually the budget days when we make big profits, it did not happen for many people, and all the directional traders are losing big money in this February month. I was also out of drawdown just 2 days back, and today I am back into drawdown because of today's loss, but still half the month is still there. Let's hope for the best. It is just that in such troubled times we just have to limit our losses, make sure that our losses are very small. It will not pinch you, it will not lose your confidence. That's it, just maintain that, and then the market will be back to normal very soon and we can make profits as usual as before. Okay friends, so if you're watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the like button, and don't forget to share this video to your friends as well, those who want to learn about options adjustments. And without wasting much time, let us look into today's trade. Okay, so looking into the opening, it was slightly on the gap up, so it was a positive sign overall, and the VIX also there was no much okay, I'll just show you VIX. Yeah, so VIX also there was no much problem for us. Okay, so let us look into the open interest to find out where is the maximum OA available, and I can see the maximum open interest is at 41,900, which you can see our today Banknifty tried coming down, and then you can see it has bounced back from 41,900. So this is going to act as a very good level. So I'll just try to keep at the level which it bounced back, so that I'll get a little bit of range for the day. And then looking at the higher side, I can see at 42,000, and you know that 42,000 is a good psychological figure. Many people would have taken their positions at that level. So 42,000 is going to act as very good resistance. So this would be a good support and resistance for today. 41,900 as a good support and 42,000 as a good resistance, and a decent 100-point range I think for Thursday. But the saddest part is you can see the strike prices, ATM strike prices are very low, close to 100 only, and sudden movement of 100 points is going to trouble us a lot. And this is a challenge which I faced today as well. Only 100 rupees premium is available, and the Bank Nifty was moving 100 points in each candle, 3 minutes candle, right? So 120 on one side and 98 on the other side, it is too low, right? So let's slowly, my 9:30 I'll start entering my positions. This was the overall plan, and I started slowly entering. So I took into 41,900 call and put slowly, step by step. I just took 25 lots, and then this also you can see the parity which is there. The call value is already 133 and the put value is only 88. So this itself is already giving us a very good very bad image, because call is already on the higher side. The straddle is called already on the higher side, and if at all, yeah. So this is what happened in the morning 2 hours. Bank Nifty tried to go down multiple times. This big candle actually was a troublemaker for me. It tried going down many times and it came back into the range, and then again started coming down, again it is going back into the range. So this really pinched me, and also I had a big slippage in this big candle. So I had kept 50% stop loss on both the legs, and this when this sudden spike happened, almost you can see 100 points movement, I had a big trouble. Okay, so I'll just show you the, this is the one candle which I was talking about. So it was trying to come down, market was trying to come down, and then I also stop loss it, but again started going up. So I had to add back the put positions, but then again started coming down. So this kind of zigzag movement and sudden big movements hurted me, and you can see loss is almost 37,000. So this is what I was telling today. Entire day I did not see anything profit, I did not see green at all. It was in the negative itself. Yeah. So now again time after 11 o'clock, you can see once again Bank Nifty is touching down the low point and it is trying to go down again, but the candle is big. That is what I was, the thing which was worrying me was this big candles. Already the premiums are very low, but apart from that, this kind of big candles happening, and after the big candle you can see the reversal also happening, right? So almost every time regularly the stop loss is being hit. Okay. So after this at 11 close to 11:30, you can see market is moving sideways. So this was the right time to add more positions. So I slowly started adding more positions, step by step started adding positions. So you can see as of now I am back to full straddle normal, and loss is still at 32,000 level. If it continues to remain sideways from here, I am going to make profit. Yeah, but then market always had its own style of moving, surprises, right? You can see the big candles have again once again. So this was again troubling me. You can see this one big candle, again one more big candle, again my stop loss is hit. But the troublesome thing is it is reversing after these big spikes happening. It is reversing. This is where the you can say putting the salt on the wound, yeah, or you can say the putting lime on the wound. So you can see my losses are increasing. It's again almost reached 50,000, and as of now this is my positions. But if at all you see into the call and the put is slightly less than the call, because one of the put already stop loss is hit because of the sudden spike. So if it continues to go down from here, it would have been good for me, but then it is reversing again. This is the candle which I am talking about. This kind of reversals which are happening is what is spoiling the beauty, spoiling the party. If it would have gone in one side continuously, we would have made very good profit. Okay, now time close to 12:15, and you can see the big spikes which are happening, and regularly this was nothing but stop loss hunting. I can say my stop losses were hit regularly. 50% I had kept, which was very far, but it is being hit regularly. I don't want to go completely naked also, because market is not directional these days, it's almost non-directional. So I'm just going hedge on both the sides. But my loss continues to bleed. I am almost 66,000 loss, and I still have one put leg, and remaining all are only call legs. So expecting Bank Nifty to go down from here. Okay, so finally we got the breakout. This is what I was waiting. One-sided movement. It's finally happened. Time close to 12:30. After 12:30, the breakdown happened. Okay, so once it's got the breakdown, you can see I'm only on the call side. There is no puts available, only on the call, completely naked on the call. And if it continues to go down from here, it is a lottery for us today. Almost more to the 2 lakh premiums is still available. But then again, Bank Nifty started reversing. The party spoiler came back into picture. Every time after these big kinds of candles, there is reversals happening, which is really spoiled, which really spoiled my day for today. So this is what happened. So you can see market is picking up, reversing, and then my loss is also bleeding. So then now you can see almost it is narrowing down, it is going sideways, and also there are chances of reversing as well. So what I'm thinking is adding back again more straddles, because I have more capital with me, and also I have to keep adding puts as well if the market goes up. So now what I have done presently is I have taken one more straddle. I have taken 41,700 call and put, you can see here. So added new fresh. My loss as of now is 34,000, and if at all market would have continued going down, I would have made beautiful profits today. But I'll show you the yeah. So this is what happened. I had decided mentally this was my stop loss, the super trend which is there 10,2, and also the moving average. Usually this is what I follow. So if at all Bank Nifty crosses above this super trend, closes above this super trend and this moving average, my plan was to add back the puts, so that now that the market is changing the direction, I can also go in the bullish side. But again, market did not even give me time to do the adjustments. Okay, so by the time this candle closed, my loss got hit. You can see as of now presently it's only 79,000 loss, but by the time the candle close, I'll just show you. Yeah, so this sudden big candle, again more than 100 points movement, close to 100 points movement suddenly. By the time, yeah, so by the time this candle closed and I'm ready for doing my adjustment, my maximum stop loss got hit for the day. So this big candle again spoiled the party which I had. So my 1% loss is hit for the day. So I had to close all my positions. I don't mind if I'm going to make more profit from here or something, but my risk appetite for the day is fulfilled for today. So these kinds of spikes which happened, this kinds of, you can see the tails, big tails, everything was happening on the lower side. Now suddenly it happened on the upper side. So it really was not even good for option seller. Okay, so till now it was all the spikes were coming down, so it was almost an indication that market was trying to come down and then it was pulling up, but it was continuously making lower low, but then suddenly this candle which came at 110, the sudden big candle, it spoiled the entire show. By the time I do my adjustment, my maximum stop loss was hit, and this happens, friends. This is common, and you would have seen in this last 2 weeks back also we faced the same problem, but we happily accepted the loss and we were happy with the loss, and we closed the trade for the day. And that is what we have to do in such difficult times. There is other still month remaining for us, 2 more weeks I can say. So let's look forward to have a good profitable month. Hope you like the video, hope you like the adjustments. Thank you and have a nice day.